Ayurveda, the natural healing system with 5,000-year-old roots into the Indian culture, is enjoying a resurgence nowadays. Not only in India, this healing system is being widely accepted as a primary means of therapy throughout the world. The Ayurveda came into existence when there was little awareness about the wonders of Ayurveda in North India. The journey started 12 years ago with a small clinic in Mohali. Dr. Baldeep Kaur, along with Mr. Vishnu Dutt, took it as a challenge and founded Deep Ayurveda with a sole aim to provide authentic Ayurvedic treatment and manufacture 100% genuine Ayurvedic medicines and herbal supplements so society can be benefited from Ayurveda's miraculous cure. Identifying the unavailability of good Ayurveda medicines which can provide desired results in a specific time period, Dr. Kaur started developing Ayurvedic formulations for her patients. With her dedication towards the patients and her love for Ayurveda, she kept on developing Ayurvedic medicines for different diseases, continuously worked on quality, quantity, palatability, ease of carrying, and how these herbal medicines can cure within a specific time period when taken by patients as per prescription. With a BA-MS degree from the prestigious Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, Diploma in NDDY and CC in Panchkarma, Dr. Baldeep Kaur is practicing Ayurveda for the last 12 years, and with the passion and persistent efforts, she has been successful in developing more than 100 patent Ayurvedic medicine formulations. That itself speaks volumes about her achievements in the field of Ayurveda in India. It was 2010, a full-fledged, first of its kind in North India, Ayurveda and Panchkarma Center, established in Mohali by Deep Ayurveda. Following this, Deep Ayurveda got its trademark registered as a brand name. From there was no stopping this initiative, which culminated into a brand and kick-started the glorious journey into the Ayurveda healthcare domain. In 2015, Deep Ayurveda started its own manufacturing unit, which is sponsored by KVIC, owned by Government of India, and we follow standards laid out by Drug Licensing Authority and GMP norms at each and every step of production. A year later, Deep Ayurveda received awards for the work done in the field of Ayurveda by the Health Minister of Punjab State Government. In the same year, NSIC itself sponsored Deep Ayurveda for participation in one of the biggest international trade fairs in Sri Lanka. Deep Ayurveda is also a member of CII, which helps in pushing companies' growth further and fulfilling its mission to innovate in integrating contemporary know-how with traditional wisdom for better outcomes in the field of Ayurveda. In the journey towards spreading the miraculous healing power of Ayurveda, our efforts are recognized through various awards and accolades. Deep Ayurveda has been awarded the Most Promising Herbal Products Manufacturing Company in Healthcare Excellent Award Summit 2017. ABP News awarded us with Best Ayurveda Company of 2017, and we are among the top 50 best wellness companies in the world in 2018 by Health Congress in Mumbai. Through well-equipped Ayurveda clinics and chain of retail outlets across India, Deep Ayurveda is present in Punjab, Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And taking forward our vision to spread wonders of Ayurveda around the globe, we have extended our presence to Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, Bulgaria and Malta in Europe. At all its clinics, Deep Ayurveda offers very competent assortment of services and OPD treatments like Ayurvedic treatment, Panchkarma therapies, beauty, skin and hair care treatment, yoga, and one can also consult for diet and lifestyle modifications. We specialize in patent medicines, and so far we've patented more than 100 plus products, and our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with world-class infrastructure ensures quality standards of medicines that we produce. Our product line includes herbal capsules, herbal syrups, herbal powder, tablets and oils. Through these medicines, we aim to cure skin diseases, female infertility, heart diseases, liver diseases, kidney diseases, respiratory, digestion-related disorders, and other lifestyle disorders. We have a range of products specially developed for diabetes and weight management. Let's take a look at our most loved and best-selling products. Live Clear Capsule or Syrup, Nervocare, Vajayu Capsules and Oil, Renfit Capsules, Nadi Balya Capsules, Arthro Capsules and Oil, Ayurveda Capsules and Syrup, Diacare Capsules, Swasni Syrup, Heart Care Tea, and many more. We also have our hands in producing classical medicines which take cue from our thousands of years old ancient granths. These are manufactured under the same classical names like Ashokarisht, Chandar Prabhavati, Gandhak Rasayan, Churans, Kukal, Bhasam, Ras, Pishti, Shar, Lo, Rishts, Quartz, oils, etc. Having expertise in manufacturing and virtue of well-established production unit, we also give a hand to other brands and help them manufacture their formulations into their own labeling as third-party manufacturers. Apart from our chain of clinics and manufacturing world-class Ayurvedic medicines, Deep Ayurveda also runs Ayurveda clinical training programs, especially for fresher doctors with primary focus on the clinical management and practical training in Ayurveda treatment. Besides this, we also provide 1-month Panchkarma training program for doctors and therapists to achieve proficiency in Panchkarma treatment. As a leading Ayurvedic brand in the country, we consider ourselves responsible for spreading awareness and knowledge about the merits of opting Ayurveda in our daily life, and for this purpose, we publish a digital monthly magazine by the name of Ayurveda for Healthy Living. In a nutshell, Deep Ayurveda aspires to be synonymous with everything associated with Ayurveda, and we believe we are on the right path, and we are steadily moving on our mission to spread the miraculous healing power of Ayurveda and delighting the lives of people.